Surin Stadium opening ceremony. Surin Stadium opening ceremony. Phuket Governor Maitri Intusut recently presided over the opening ceremony of the new Surin Stadium and community friendship football matches and praised all interested parties for their efforts in creating the new facility. Also in attendance was Mr Paiboon Upattising, PPAO Chief Executive, who reported PPAO had allocated a budget of more than 18 million baht for the construction of the stadium to provide amenities to Surin and neighboring communities, with exercise space and a venue for activities to benefit the public. To celebrate the opening of this facility, 3 matches were played involving local school teams, community leaders, and businessmen of Surin, and PPAO officials versus Phuket Provincial Authority officials. School children took part in 3-legged races, and 2 members of Thailand's national volleyball team, Miss Amphorn, Yapha, and Miss Pronpan, Kerdprat, gave a demonstration of their sport.